Creating an engaging and impactful presentation takes time and design knowledge. But what if you don't have the time or feel stuck in visualizing your ideas effectively? In this case, you need a tool that can guide and assist you in creating attention-grabbing presentations that will help you succeed. And now, with AI-powered features at our fingertips, it's easier than ever before. So, where can you begin? Well, in this video, we're going to explore a bulletproof way for you to create a great presentation with the help of Prezi AI, our newest AI-powered tool that'll help you succeed in a matter of minutes. So, let's dive right in. Today, capturing and holding attention is more important than ever, and to ensure your message is understood, sparks action, and ultimately drives results, AI tools come in handy. By automating tasks, suggesting relevant content, and analyzing data, AI streamlines the entire creation process. Also, AI presentation tools can offer features like suggesting layouts, color schemes, and so much more. But AI doesn't stop at just aesthetics. It also can help you craft a truly engaging presentation by offering compelling storytelling techniques. Also, an AI presentation tool like Prezi AI can personalize your presentations based on your specific preferences. Let's explore what exactly Prezi AI can offer. Prezi AI offers an innovative presentation maker that uses the power of artificial intelligence. It goes beyond traditional templates, offering a range of helpful and effective features that'll help you create content that captivates and inspires without you having to spend hours on it. First of all, what sets Prezi apart is its open space canvas for non-linear storytelling. Here, you can unlock your creative freedom with a canvas that helps you craft presentations that truly reflect your vision by zooming in and out of specific areas. Prezi AI's presentation maker is the star of the show here and allows you to create a presentation in a matter of minutes. All you need to do is enter your presentation title and description and let AI do the heavy lifting, creating a presentation layout that's both visually appealing and matches your topic. Once your design's ready, the AI text editing feature can help you tweak, extend, shorten, and simplify your message to ensure a successful delivery. And what's more, you can even create animated slides from text using the AI assistant. Lastly, the user-friendly interface allows you to seamlessly create and share your presentation with ease. And all of this translates to less time spent creating and formatting design and more time focusing on communicating your message effectively. Now, the formula of an engaging presentation is easy. All you need is an idea combined with Prezi AI-powered features, a splash of personal touch, and your presentation is ready to be delivered. For a more detailed look at how you can create an engaging presentation using AI, follow this process. To start with, you need to have a clear understanding of your message and who you're presenting it to. Next, once you open the Prezi AI presentation maker, you'll need to give your presentation a title. Choose something concise, informative, and eye-catching for maximum effect. But don't worry, you can also change it later. Afterwards, you'll need to describe your presentation in more detail. To do that more effectively, you can break down your presentation into sections, specify your target audience and tone of voice, and you can even provide design direction if you have one. And if you're interested in learning more about effective prompt writing, read this article here or find it in the description box below. Now, once you submit your prompt, AI is going to generate a draft. Here, feel free to go back, refine your prompt if needed, and make sure that you get the best result possible. Now, what's so great about Prezi AI is that it offers several template and color scheme options for you to choose from. So, feel free to try them out to see what matches your content best. Also, while AI can provide a good starting point, editing and personalizing your content is key. So here, you want to go into the editing mode where you can add your own personal touch to your presentation. After you finalize the content and design, make sure to proofread for any errors. And remember to use Prezi AI's presentation path tool to define the order in which you want to reveal the information on your canvas. Once that's done, you should have an engaging presentation right in front of you. All you need to do now is prepare to share with your audience. By leveraging the power of AI, you can free yourself from tiring tasks and focus on creating a compelling message that resonates with your audience. And remember, a presentation is not just about the information, it's about storytelling. So don't be afraid to experiment with different design elements and let your presentation flow like a captivating story. I'm Nubba from Prezi's marketing team, and I wish you success creating truly impactful presentations in minutes using Prezi AI. Have fun and see you next time.